I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sheet and selecting the rows you want to combine so you don't lose data. Once selected, decide why you're combining, for reporting, cleaning, or summarizing. Make sure to back up the workbook with Save As. That prevents mistakes. Next, choose a method: text join for delimiters, concat for simple joins, or helper columns when you need conditional logic. Begin with one small sample range to test, and then scale once results match your expectation. Now you apply the chosen method and execute the core steps. If you use text join, type equals text join. True A2, C2 to merge with a comma and skip blanks. This handles variable blanks cleanly. Once done, copy formulas down or convert to values to lock results. Alternatively, load data into Power Query. Use group by or merge to combine rows programmatically, which scales better for large sets. Make sure to preview results and adjust delimiters, or finish by locking in the combined rows and cleaning the output so it's ready for use. Convert formulas to values to prevent accidental recalculation, then run trim and substitute to remove extra spaces or unwanted characters. Once done, verify totals and sample rows against the original to confirm accuracy. If something goes wrong, check common issues: mismatched ranges, hidden characters, or wrong data types. Use clean and value where needed. Finally, save a version copy so you can revert if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.